Another morning, another day. We will fight again against our enemy. The lands are green, the mountains high, the river valleys sweet and Our Arakan brothers in arms gather at the point. Tonight we will attack the enemy beast. We fight for our freedom. We fight for our people. Deep in quiet, waiting, the movement of enemy in the beast. Switch on your rifle, our fighting start on. The sounds of guns in the in the mountain, in the field, in the forest, the victor is coming.